The age of human expansion into the vast realm of space is overdue, but it is finally coming to fruition. This is translating into a diverse set of missions set for the next decade, and this will lead to the first off-world generation of humans. So let's take a quick look at some of the most important space missions happening in the short-term future. Beginning at number 7, the Lunar Gateway. This is a really exciting in-development space station which will eventually orbit the moon, and it will play a critical role for NASA's future missions. It will initially be able to carry a crew of 4, along with a solar-powered communications hub, a science laboratory, and holding areas for rovers and other robots. The space station will not be crewed continuously, like the ISS, and the Canadarm3 will tend to experiments and repairs when the station is vacant. Now, this station has received a little bit of criticism since it's not going to be a refueling station, and it's not actually establishing infrastructure on the moon. Nevertheless, it may actually become useful once a lunar base is established, and this will allow the station to become a rendezvous point. We get to number 6, and it's the Martian Moon's mission. So right now there are quite a few missions being planned for the Red Planet, but what about its mysterious moons? Well, the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency announced that it will collect samples from Phobos and actually do flybys of Deimos. Let's just hope that there are no alien bases there. Anyways, it plans to do this by using a robotic space probe lander and gather samples and then eventually returning the samples to Earth by 2029. So this mission is pretty difficult because the craft not only has to pull this off with a round trip, but it also needs to perform a weird kind of orbit since the moons have a relatively weak gravitational field. So if JAXA can pull this off, it would be pretty incredible. That's number 5, and it's the Psyche mission. There are a handful of asteroid missions set for the next decade, but this particular journey is very unique. The asteroid Psyche appears to be a nickel-iron core of an earlier planet, and this could actually help us discover how planets are even formed, and it might even reveal some secrets about our own Earth's core. The orbiter will also utilize a new laser communication method which encodes data in photons instead of radio waves. This theoretically allows for more data volume, and it can become a good model for future communication. Another important and different asteroid mission will involve the Hera craft, and this will test whether a kinetic deflection can be used to shift the orbit of an asteroid. Due to launch in 2024, Hera will actually study a small
8, 9,
10, y'all.
All right, you wolf.
All right, sheep herder. Good joke, man. How's this thing work?
Like this.
Good joke, man.
Hello, all you happy people. Don't worry, little sheep. No wolf will get you while I'm around. All right, you...
Man alive, a sheep herder. Now there's a well-built doghouse, man.